So baby, put me on voicemail, right? Okay. Well, it's me, Emeka. I love you and I'm sorry for whatever I did, okay? Don't forget, this week is my birthday week. My birthday comes up real soon. So when you get this voice message, please try and call me back. Okay? I love you, and once again, I am sorry. Bye.
Emeka, have you tried visiting her?
Yes, but she keeps shutting me out.
Locking you out? Well, it's now very obvious she's not coming. So could you please just go in there and put on something nice so we can go lunch together?
Yeah, trust me, I could do with lunch right now.
Good morning. Please come to the end office. Good morning.
Good morning. Don't tell me you're just coming to work now.
How can I possibly be coming to work? I've been very busy in the theater taking care of the accident victims of yesterday. And earlier on, I've been checking your office.
Well, it's okay. So, what's up?
Well, it's about our birthday bash. I was meaning to remind you to please come along with your younger sister, Jessica.
I really don't understand what this penchant and fondness for my sister is all about.
Well,
Kule, what are you up to?
well, I don't expect you to understand, but please do me a favor. Don't miss to be at the party with your sister.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
Of course, you've got to see what you can do, and please do it. And at the end of the day, I want you and your sister at the birthday party. Alright?
You. Just don't let me remove your ass because that's my only sister. Just be careful because you know what you're up to.
Trust me, that's my ass. I'm not taking care of it very well. As for me, I have some patients that want to get us to it.
Okay, I've got to go do my world round.
Okay, I'll see you later.
So why do you want me to be there?
Just for company.
Don't give me that.
Believe me for once not to go. I just want you there for company.
Well then, let's just say I can't make it.
Oh, Jessica, come on. I really want you to be there. Please.
Then why don't you just come on and tell me the kind of games you guys are setting with me in that hospital?
What do you mean by that? Come on, it's just a friend's bash and I want you to be there with me, that's all.
On what grounds, sis? Why can't you be honest for once in your life?
Okay. Actually, it's Kunle that wants you, not me.
Kunle, why?
I don't know.
Anyway, that's not why I came into your room. There are some stuff I actually want you to see.
Oh, please. I've had enough of your fakes. Besides, Chide will soon be back and I know he'll get them in stock for me. So take your fakes to your cheap colleagues at the office because I know they won't know the difference.
Yeah, I know. I also know that you need a mouth surgery.
No.
I'm talking about Chide. Do you think that Superman will find it funny to hear that you attended the party at his back?
Please, give him some credit. He's not such a brute. So, you're coming with me, right?
Honestly, girl, I must tell you I'm happy to have you here tonight.
Now you're going to flatter me.
Oh, come on, I'm not flattering you. I'm just trying to express my mind, you know.
Then try hard not to flatter me doing that.
Okay, alright, it's okay. Jessica, you see, I was just thinking of having you with me up there when they're done setting the cake.
What will you have me doing up there?
Oh, cutting the cake, of course. What else? You see, it will be very dry to have only meals up there cutting the cake. So I suggest you just join me and observe.
Of your friend. Hasn't he anyone to join him in the party?
I don't think so. The girlfriend wouldn't show up after they had some rows a few days ago.
Okay.
You know, but still, I must register my displeasure over your agency's level of organization. When you look at everybody, everybody is waiting and still sitting. It's alright,
Go. Okay, let's go. Let's call him.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. We all know why we are here tonight. We are here for the birthday celebration of Kunle and Emeka, two best friends, born the same day, same time, and same hour. Permit me to also say their dad actually planned it together. Kunle and Emeka, it's time to cut your birthday cake. I will cut it at the spelling of one word, and that word is friendship. So, ladies and gentlemen, you repeat after me as I say F R I E N D S H I and B. So let's sing for them. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip, hooray! Hip hip hip, hooray! Hip hip hip, hooray! For the wonderful friends.
I wonder what it is about a beautiful night like this you don't like, Mr. Emeka.
Diane, so you're still around?
Mm-hmm. I'm waiting for my sister.
Really? Okay.
So tell me, what are you worried about? Because he didn't seem happy throughout the party.
Really, I'm not worried about anything in particular.
But
You know what? I'm actually not in my best of moods.
no, not on your birthday. You know what? Come with me. Just follow me to a quiet place and you can tell me all about it. You know, Kunle told me that you're such a friendly person, but I wonder why you're so dim. Come. Up, 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 up.
Jessica will be needing your help right now.
But so tell me this.
She needs blood. Can you donate to her?
Of course, why not if I can?
Good. Listen, nurse.
Yeah, doctor.
Emeka, where have you been since?
I had to go and change. I had blood stains on me.
It's okay. Is there anybody at the lab?
Yes, Solomon is there.
Okay, take her. Run the test, okay? She's okay, she's fine.
Is there anything that requires money? Anything that needs to be bought?
Oh, come on, you don't have to bother yourself. This is the hospital where Diane works. So we'll be giving her the best of treatment. Whatever she requires, we'll provide for her, okay?
Are you sure?
You don't have to panic. Just relax. Relax your nerves. I'll soon join you, okay?
Good morning. Please, I called to apologize about what happened last night. No, it wasn't entirely... I'm sorry. I tried to explain to Emeka, but... Okay. Let me not take much of your time. But please, can I come and see you? Just give me 2 minutes of your time. Let me just explain everything that happened to you, please. Please, I promise I won't take much of your time. Let me just explain to you what really happened, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll be there. Bye. Hello, darling. Oh, hey. The door was open, so I just came in.
Do you think you can just wake up, do anything that concerns you and get scot-free with it, and then next morning you come into my compound, open my door, get into my house and talk rubbish to me when I should be going to work? Is that it?
Babes, actually I came to explain to you that there is more motive to what happened. I mean, there's more to what happened.
Of course there's much more to it, which is your violent action and reaction. Now I expect you to read the handwriting on the wall, which is so perfect, and leave.
Babes, let me explain to you what really happened. Please hear me out first.
Hearing you out can get me bruised. You know, I could get bruised in the process. Of course you know that. Just leave in peace.
Babes,
leave.
Is that how you see me now? Like someone who's crazy, like a psychopath?
Of course I see you much more than that. Like a psychopath. Listen, don't let me press charges against you for last night's action. When I'm in my flying mood, you understand me? Then we can talk. Now, please leave.
It's not fair.
Look who's talking about fairness. Is slapping me fair? Is breaking another girl's head fair? Get out. Bounce. I said leave. Get out. Oh! Get out. Get out.
Was there still more bleeding when I left yesterday?
Kunle, please, no more questions. My head is killing me.
Oh, your head? I'm so sorry. I'll get you some pain relief tablets.
Good. Ibuprofen will be better.
Can I do the prescription here? The last time I checked, you were still a patient in my hospital and I'm the doctor.
Then you better be the doctor because there's no improvement since yesterday.
Oh, come on, Diane, be serious. I'm writing these things down. It's for the records, for the...
I am serious. I'm telling you, no improvement whatsoever.
I'll get you your drugs, okay? I'll get you your drugs. You know, it feels so good being a doctor's doctor.
Kunle, please. No joke. I am not in the mood. You don't get it. I am dying. I don't even know where your friend got that psycho bitch from in the first place.
Oh, let's not go there now. Let's not go there again. And that reminds me, Emeka sends his regard. He said he will be here to see you at the end of the day's business. That he's got some cases to treat in the courts.
Well, I thank your friend for his concern. You know, I would have been better if I had gotten it without being on this hospital bed. Please, just get me those pills.
I will. How about Jessica, your sister?
She left early this morning so she can go to work. Please get the pills. Get the pills, please.
Okay, I'm still your doctor. Allow me to discharge my duties conscientiously, okay? Good. It's okay. I'll send the nurse to bring your drugs, okay? Alright, thanks.
Look, honestly, I've been feeling so concerned and restless throughout today. Really? I mean, the poor girl didn't do anything. Diane didn't do anything. She was only trying to shake me off the gloomy mood in which this same jail put me in. I mean, can you imagine that? I just want to go in now and see Diane, that's all.
It's alright, it's alright. Just go in and see her. I'll see you when you're out, okay?
It's alright. And hey, if Jane comes here, I don't want to see her.
Understand?
No, I'm serious, I don't want to see her.
It's understandable, it's okay. Okay, let's go and sit down.
Do you want me to get the nurses for you? Huh? It's cheating. He heard about it, right?
I know, called him. I told him things that didn't happen. The person said I fought a girl just because of a man, and the girl tore my clothes to shreds, and I walked out of the place naked.
It's alright.
He doesn't even want to pick my call. He just wants to hear me.
It's alright. Okay? It's alright.
Huh? What does she want here?
What I want here? I want your hair. What do you want?
You!
Stop! Don't you stay away! How about what is wrong? What is wrong? I just want your hair. What is wrong?
Stop it! Stop it!
Okay.
Are you not?
Sorry.
I'm going to break your skull. You should be in a psychiatric not here.
I'm dead not! No! I said get out! Okay! I'll be back! I'll be back! I'm your dead!
Get out! Stop!
Bitch!
How did I know?
It's okay. It's alright, okay? It's okay. It's okay.
I'm no longer comfortable with my sister alone in that hospital. That girl might come in anytime and hammer, you know.
Oh, come on, don't worry, Jessica. The nurses have been alerted. I've warned them seriously. I don't want to see Jane anywhere around the hospital vicinity. Even the security men have been alerted too.
Okay. What if she comes in a disguise? Or maybe send someone to do it?
Oh, come on, Jessica. Why is your mind always on the negative? I've told you Diane is fine. She is alright. The nurses are looking out for her. Okay? So chill. Let's just relax some more while.
Kunde, you won't understand. Please, let's just leave this place. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay, alright, alright. We're gonna leave, but would you please permit me to at least finish up my drink?
Okay, finish up and let's go. Please.
Thank you. I understand your feelings. She's your sister, but just realize she's fine. The hospital is secure, very secure.
I really hope so. I do hope so.
house was on fire. Come. What's the problem? What is it?
Man, my guy, seriously, I'm really thinking about taking up this Jane's madness.
You're gonna tell me you're serious, please. It's like you've been having a lot of cases to argue.
Oh, please just shut up. I am serious.
No reason why I should be asking. Do you remember the first day I came to your house after you and Jane started this relationship? I received the worst lashing of my life from her. Just because I want to come into your room and see you. And do you remember what you told me that day? Do you?
Listen, I know of Jane's madness. I've been patient with her, easing up with her, thinking she will change. But right now, my guy, I have lost it.
No, you are gaining it. You are gaining it. And don't you tell me that this was the reason why you made me leave my office and leave my patients to come over to this place. Let me just pretend and assume there's something good in the kitchen.
Hey. Before you get into that kitchen, remember there's no Jane, so there's nothing in there.
There you go again. Jane again. Can't you see you're still gaining it? Jane.
Please just shut up and tell me about Diane.
No, we're not talking about Diane. We're talking about Jane. Because it's Janie every time. So we talk about Jane now. You're crazy. Very obvious. From your own point.
Baby, please, hear me out. Let me just explain to you how it happened. Please, just...
One more foot near me, I'm going to bundle you out of this house like a sack. You get dead. I mean, what exactly do you want me to hear? How you fought over a man? Or how you were stripped naked in the prison?
No, that's not how it happened. That's what I'm telling you. Let me just explain.
Whichever way, however way it happened, I don't care. But that brings this relationship to an end. You go, I go. It's very simple.
Baby, just look at me. Take a look at me. What you're saying is killing me. Please.
Diane.
Just let me explain.
You know what I think? You go and recheck your diagnosis. Because I think it is what you did that is killing you. Listen, Diane. Remember to shut that door behind you after the acting.
Baby, please.
Well, Emeka, I think it's ideal you go and sit down because from what Jessica told me, her relationship is in a big crack.
Yes, she even told me about her guy, being so mad and uncomfortable with the gist of her getting her head broken and, walking out naked. Well, I don't blame the guy, because being a man, you would never be comfortable hearing such gist about your girl.
Oh, there you are. All for your Jane.
Listen, my Jane, your Jane, whoever's Jane, damn Jane, listen, I can never ever think of that girl again.
I know it's just for the meantime because you know as much as I know I have a chronic problem with that girl.
Well, you see, not this time around, bro. Not this time, because this time I'm done with her, believe you me. Yeah, so I'll just drop you off, get home, shower, and then go pick up a gift, for someone.
Jane. Oh, whatever, just to yourself.
It's okay. Listen, Jide is not the end of now. One door closes, they say, and 10 more will open.
Not Jide's door. Not Jide's door. Just tell me, what would I do without him? What?
I understand what your feelings is. But come on, pull yourself together. We have a visitor. Let me check this.
I don't care. Just go get the door.
Come on, at least wipe the face a little.
Get the door!
It's okay, please. Come on.
How you doing? Is she alright? Maybe this is not the best of times to visit, so kindly keep this for her. Huh? Okay,
Get out of my house! I don't need you! And I don't need your gifts either! I don't want your concern. Just get out of my house! Get
She see there outside, they cry, they beg.
And what's my business if she's crying outside? Wait, Andrew, is this what you actually came here to tell me?
Yes, Oga. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Andrew. Andrew.
Oga.
You're fired.
Ah! Oga. Oga. I can't do. I can't see this kind of service is on you. So you can fire me.
Andrew, just shut up and get out.
Oga, beg. Oga, beg help me now, Oga. Oga, remember my story. Remember my younger brother. I need your advice to make a train and reach university.
Andrew, I said stand up.
Oga, beg now. Oga, remember my family. Let me help them.
All right. Just stand up. Stand up. You're not fired.
Okay, thank you.
Now go back to the gate.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
What?
What did I go tell him?
What is it? Huh? What? No, tell me what? I thought you said you wanted to stay in the sitting room, so why have you followed me here now?
Babes, I'm sorry.
Yeah, right.
Babes, please, you have to forgive me. Honestly, it's your love that's driving me crazy. I mean, coupled with a whole lot of other things.
Coupled with a whole lot of other what? Huh? Tell me a whole lot of other what?
Babes, please. Babes, I'm mad, I'm sick and you're the doctor. If you leave me, I'll die, babes, please. Please, I beg you, I'll die. My love, please. From the very day you bore my slap in my father's chambers, I knew you were my Messiah. I knew it from that day. Babes, please, I promise I'll be normal. I'll try and be normal. I'm sorry, I'll do it again, please. Please. I'll do it again.
It's alright.
Thank you.
But you just have to try.
Yes, I'm trying.
I mean, you have to try a whole lot harder.
Yes, you're right. I won't do anything abnormal anymore. I promise I won't. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Stop all this madness, you know.
Oops, I'm not mad.
Yeah, you just get so hyper.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Let's go.
Let's go. What about Diane?
She's not coming with us.
Why? I thought I told you we were meant to lunch together.
She's been dazed lately, Kunle. Let's just go. We'll come out and lock up the door.
Dazed? Okay, in that case, I'll have some words with her.
You better don't. Because she's paranoid lately. And getting her to talk would be a pretty much bad idea.
Paranoid?
Yes.
Is it about the boyfriend?
I think so.
Oh, Diane, hi.
You people are not on your way yet. I want to lock the door and go back inside.
Come on, girl, we're meant to lunch together.
We're on our way out, please. Let's go. Lock up your door. Come on, let's go.
Just be fine, okay?
Your friend going to show a little bit of concern for all his psycho girlfriend have caused my sister in this short while.
Oh, come on. Emeka is torn up about this whole issue. It's not as if he's relaxed. He understands the weight and implication of what Diane is going through.
Then what is he doing about it? Doesn't look like he's concerned one bit. Because I don't seem to see anything that depicts concern from him or his psycho girlfriend.
Trust me, girl. Emeka is very busy right now. That's the issue. But that doesn't mean he doesn't show concern. He understands.
Okay.
So what's up now? How was your day?
Busy.
Very busy. Me too. Had a very hectic day in the hospital. So many surgeries.
So what? No, what? What do you expect me to do? Huh? I went to her place, gave her gifts I bought with my hard-earned money, and she splashed them on my face like I was an intruder. She pushed me out of her house like I was some kind of intruder. I told you these things, didn't I?
Of course you told me. But look at what Jane has done in the past, and you forgive her for no just reason. Not talk of Diane, who has so many reasons for reacting brashly.
Listen, I get where you're coming from. Sincerely, I don't hold her actions against her. But tell me, as a man, what do you expect of me?
Good. Now you're talking. Show her some concern. Share in her grief.
Concern? So I should start dating her, right?
No one says you should date her, but at least some calls.
Calls? Listen, I've been calling that girl and she hasn't been picking up. Yes, I've been calling her since last week and she hasn't been picking her calls.
You try again. Maybe this time she will.
No, wait. Listen, I've got my pride, please.
There you go again with your pride thing. That's the problem. Call her.
I told you. I've been calling her. What's her problem?
Come on, Diane. You should know better than walking your mood down at this rate. You can't afford to break down with the loads of work we have on our shoulders. Just push everything beside you and life goes on.
I know. Kunle, I know, but I'm trying. It's not easy at all.
I know it's not easy, but you've got to try harder, okay? Try to make amends with the little mistakes you've made in trying to deal with all this.
I'm very sure Emeka will be very angry with me now.
Come on, it's not as if Emeka is mad at you. But come to think of it, Diane, you know you didn't get it right.
I know.
Whatever. As a matter of fact, Emeka is not entirely mad at you, but Emeka is this kind of sober, quiet, gentle person,
Please, doctor. The MD wants to see you. Okay. I'll be right behind you.
Then I have to run now, okay? I'll see you when I come back. Just do me one favor. Push everything beside you.
Okay.
Alright?
you. Honestly, it's not easy at all.
Of course I do know it's not easy.
And it's not easy in other fields too.
I do know that likewise.
Mr. Meka, honestly, I'm so sorry about everything that happened. I'm sorry about what happened in my house. You know, I can't explain it. I don't know how it happened, but I'm so sorry.
It's alright. I know I am instrumental to everything that happened to you. All the trauma you suffered was because of me, so it's okay. Huh? I'm dropping you off, right?
Oh, please. I didn't come with my car. And once again, just accept my apology.
It is alright. I mean, having waiting for me this long, it's okay. I mean, I will definitely forgive you. It's okay. Okay, so just hop on.
I get it. You are the guy that we're fighting for.
Listen, she didn't fight for my sake or for any other man's sake, alright? Everything that happened was just a slight mix-up.
Oh, yeah. Slight mix-up. And she got a cord on her head and walked away naked. Are you trying to tell me all those shit didn't happen?
Listen, some of it did happen, yes. Alright? Listen, if you just allow me sit down and we talk this thing as men, you'll definitely have faith in your girl again.
Oh, so sorry about that. But you see, it looks like I won't.
Look, Jide, Diane is losing it. Diane is going down by the day, all for your sake.
Hey, young man. Don't give me that cheap emotional blackmail. All for my sake or all for your sake. You said you are the man she got fighting for and you came here. You think you can pass box to my shoulder because you think you're smart. Perhaps you're in the act of making girls fight for you. At the end, they pay you to fix things up for them.
Listen, Jide, you're getting this whole thing all wrong.
Oh, well, let me get it straight for once. Get out of my house. Get out.
Is that the way you see it?
I said, get out. You came in here and I did not offer you a seat for over 5 minutes now, and you still can't figure it in your little brain that you are not welcome. Oh gosh, you amaze me. Get out of my house. Out before I call the police.
Well, I really advise you think about this.
Rubbish.
God, you shouldn't have gone that far. I mean, you know Jide is so rigid and I'd already devised means to deal with it. You shouldn't have bothered yourself.
Listen, well, I had to try. I mean, I feel so responsible for everything.
Not to the extent of taking insults from a fellow man like yourself.
Well, I made my mind up for that the moment I took his number off you.
Well, I thought you were just going to call him up.
No. I had to, make it much more formal, have a one-on-one with him.
I'm really sorry. Honestly, I am.
It's alright, it's okay. If that's the price I have to carry for being involved in the mishaps, then so be it.
Well, don't worry. I'm dealing with it, as you can see, and I know very soon I'll get it right.
Good.
So, tell me more about the legal profession. You know, back in school, this medicine thing really shuts one out of other professions, and you know there they really make you believe that you are all that matters.
believe you me, you'll be shocked that it's the same thing in the law profession as well. In other professions per se. You know, just wait till the meteorologist tells you how important he is in your day-to-day life. It's very funny. Yeah. I tell you the rains will fall, you know, what am I telling you?
Always correct.
You should go and be with your partner. Yeah. That's the signal. Trust me. It's sunny, stay away. Get Jane out of this. Really?
Is this something in the form of attraction?
Oh, please, how can you suggest that? It's just that, you know, you're not under pressure to offend anybody, you know, or hurt anybody like in the case of Jane. You know, to tell you the truth, I'm much more comfortable with Diane than Jane, really.
Of course, you can't compare the two of them. I mean, Jane is like a fire set around a fuel place. It takes only God's intervention for explosion not to occur.
If it's Jane you're depicting, whoever is believing that should fast for 20 days because with Jane, an explosion would definitely occur.
Of course, I know Jane. I mean, if she were to be here, the least you can expect from her is a reckless slap on your face at the talk of any rubbish.
I knew it. I knew it wouldn't take long before you delve into that rubbish. Stupid boy.
Just make sure she's not at your doorstep to give you a dirty slap for discussing her behind her. And I bet you to be worried. This her sudden burial travel. I hope she has not gone to import a love charm to finally tame your little resistance to her free landing slopes.
You know, I wonder how you wake up, get into your car, drive to the hospital, get into the theater to perform surgery because I know you lost your head a decade ago.
What's that supposed to mean? I mean, I'm a medical doctor, you know? Anyway, not if your body they do all those things. I mean, this your body cannot even carry a surgery because Jane has so brutally mesmerized the body.
I don't even know why I told you that in the first place.
I see them, you don't need to tell me. Every day.
You look gorgeous.
Do I?
Yeah, you do. And handsome too.
Well, thank you for the flattery.
I'm not flattering you, I'm telling you the truth.
Okay. Alright. Thank you for the compliment.
What is that?
What's what?
Okay. I think much better if this out like this. Here you go.
Has anyone told you you have beautiful eyes?
No, no one has ever talked to me with such softness and candor.
Not even Jide?
No, Jide is too formal with romantic words.
Listen, I know you're nervous and tensed, but you see, this is my house, and you know, Jane doesn't live here, so relax and.
Welcome. Thank you. My love. I'll be inside.
All right.
It's okay.
I hope you understand you have to be going now.
Yeah. It's okay, I guess I'll call you.
All right then.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Hi.
Hi.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I hope you've had something to eat.
Yes. So you didn't.
Your bath. Have you had a bath?
Yes. I was actually, going out before you came in.
Maybe I should have a bath too. Just to freshen up.
Really?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Okay. Honey? Darling? I didn't know you had slept already. I was actually meaning to, tell you something, talk to you.
What about?
I thought you said you were going down south, for your uncle's burial.
Yeah. I actually changed my mind. It's so late. Immediately go freshen up, take a bath, and sleep.
Take a bath. I thought you had a bath earlier.
I didn't.
Okay, I'll join you later, huh? Guy, yawa don't gas. Yawa don't gas. Heavy wahala. The struggle.
What happened?
Jane, we need to talk, alright? Now, Diane and I
don't want to talk about
You
that.
have to talk about
And I said I don't!
And why?
That's because it's not important and I will not dignify that issue with a discussion.
Jane, you lie. Remember, I know you. It's me. You're lying. So would you be kind enough to tell me when your next onslaught on that poor girl would be? Because definitely this your carefree attitude you're giving is a cover-up to some machination you're about to unleash.
Can you insult me with so much impunity? Is that the picture I depict in your sense of assessment? Is that it? A vicious bench taker? Someday, I will prove you wrong. Please, don't touch me.
I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Like I told you, Jen, there's nothing going on between Emeka and Diane, my colleague. What you might see in them is just a normal transfer of passionate bond that exists when you have a male and a female together. Another thing is, You know they say sympathy begets affection. Don't try to misunderstand me. After all that happened to Diane, courtesy of your actions, Emeka has been having this strong bunch of sympathetic concern for her.
And we are beginning to fall in love, right?
You're getting me wrong. That's not what I said. See, Jane, why I invited you over here is just...
Look, like I told Emeka, I can't understand why I'm still insisting on talking about this matter. Whatever I saw him do with any other woman, Diane, or any other person for that matter, is not a problem. I can handle it.
See, Jane, listen to me. I'll advise you to guide your relationship with Emeka jealously. Especially now that there are a lot of rumbles. See, girl, Emeka still loves you.
And I love him too. I love him very much, Kule. Every single thing I do is to guard my relationship. So please, don't push things. It might just make us seem like we're not nice people.
Well, it's okay. Since you said you can handle it, I'll rather leave you to handle it. But please, handle it carefully. Alright? Good.
Shut up! Now what's going on here? Just take your key quietly from her and drive away now. Toronto. Brownie the bastard. Toronto. Toronto. Lower this thing. Let's do this your boy now. Correct guy. For sure, man. This is not correct man. Oh, no one of them has my babe. My babe now. Oh man, now one area babe that now I don't also look like. You know now which area babe that. You know every now. Who they tell you? No. You get to tell me which area babe that one. I'm supposed to tell you. Guy, now my area be this. Which area babe? Tell me.
It's alright. It's okay.
It is not okay. You don't even know what her next step will be. You don't even know who she's going to meet next.
Darling, she's not going to meet no one next, okay? Listen, I've got Jane in my palms, believe me. This definitely will be her last trial. Trust me, I'm here for you. Really.
I love you. I love you very much. She's at home with
Calm your nerves a little bit more.
Please hear me out.
Listen to me, I don't have time. I cannot waste my precious time on you. Do you understand me? It was on my invitation you came here, and now I say we're done talking, so it's bye, sayonara, ciao. You understand that? Good.
Babe, we've not talked about the reason why you invited me
That is because you haven't provided me with the answers I need to the questions I did ask you. Do you understand that? Good.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Yes.
Yes, what?
I only hate those guys.
Good. Very good. So that brings it all to an end. It's over between you and I. Do you understand me? Over. What's this? Andrew! Get this down.
I'm sorry. You said
Hey, and listen to me. Listen. Now, for your information, I am I'm going out right now to see a much more mentally balanced lover, alright? And this time around, you dare not try to do anything, because if you try it, you will go in for it. Don't forget I'm a lawyer.
Babes, you're leaving me here. Sorry, I'm sorry.
I'm getting from my company.
Baby, I love you. I'm sorry.
Kunle, please, let's go inside and talk. Please.
No, Jane, I've got schedule. And I'm done listening to you because it never pays off. It's a straightforward thing. Did you or did you not?
You don't understand. That is not the genesis of the story. That is not everything that happened. Let me explain to you.
There is no other side of it that will be as irksome as your slim tendency to violence.
Yes, you're right. But let me tell you the genesis of all these happenings, at least so you can know.
Genesis? Of course I know the genesis. The birthday party night, isn't it? See, Jane, if you take my candid advice, go and do something about your temperament. Oh, come on, don't you dare whip up those unnecessary sentiments here, because Emeka will be in a better position to appreciate them more than I will do. So I advise that you package your tears and go to his house and bust it out.
Of all people. I thought that you were at least going to listen to me. But it's that bad, right? It's that bad. Everybody thinks it's my fault.
Of course it's your fault. Jane, if you were brave enough as to have committed all those atrocities, why don't you get brave enough as to take responsibility for them?
Because it's not my fault. That's why. What do you want me to do? Huh? Can't you guys get it? How do you want me to compose myself? How do you expect me to behave before a woman who has ruined my life? Huh? How do you expect me to behave when I see how close to the man I intend to marry? How?
No, you are the one working round the clock to destroy her life. You broke her head and you arranged gangs on her when she did obviously nothing to you.
That's how far you know. That's how far you know. At least you don't know I went to jail. Yes. And of course you don't know who sent me to jail.
Who? Diane?
Yes.
I don't get it.
That's the truth. She was the leader of the Black Falcons. The Black Falcons was the leading female cult back then in Uniport while we were in school. Diane led us. My roommate Amiam was also a very active member. And she told me that despite my father's wealth, influence and protection, that I still needed the protection of the cult. She recounted the amount of rape and armed robbery that was going on in school. I felt it was a good idea, so I joined them.
no longer than one session. Then I realized the decision I'd made and what I'd put myself into. The so-called senior babes started to make life a living hell for us. It dictated our lives. What you wear, where you go, and even the guys you date. The real trouble started when I fell in love with a 200 level student. I was oblivious that the senior mama had her eyes on him.
So Jane, do you like it out here?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I like it.
And I guess you love that wristwatch of yours so much.
Because I wear it all the time. Of course. Well, it's really close to my heart.
Really?
It was the last gift my mother gave to me before she died.
Uh-oh. And it does bring you memories of her, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
And it kind of makes you cry?
What? Okay, you win. Yeah, but not all the time.
Damn, this girl again.
You know her?
Yeah. The one with the blue handbag. She's been flirting around me.
Hello, handsome. You didn't tell me you were coming down here to cook.
I didn't know I was going to come down here.
Don't worry. Guess I have to join you now. Hi. Please, join us.
Don't worry, babe. We wouldn't like it here.
Come on, let's go right there and relax.
What do you mean? Can't you see she's with someone?
Babo, relax. Don't bother. He's in safe hands with Mama. Or Mama, we need to take good care of him.
At least you can trust me on that one.
Baby, let's go.
It's good to finally have you all to myself.
Diane! Why are you hounding me all over the place? What have I done to you?
What? I mean, just offer me something very cool.
What's your problem?
Baby, believe me, I don't have anything to do with her. See, like I told you earlier on before she came to join us, she's the one who's been pestering me, bugging my life, flirting around me.
Then why are you taking all this time? Why are you taking all this extra effort to explain to me? It's like, go away.
No, I want you to understand it, baby.
There's no need for that, Sly. Please, just go.
What did she tell you? What did she tell you that's making you drive me away without...
Sly, whatever she told me does not matter. I've heard everything already. Please, I beg you, just go away.
Everything like what? What did you hear about me?
Sly, there's no point lying to me. Just told me the whole story.
Fine. I see. So, this is what all those threats was all about.
What threat?
About how I cannot date any other girl on campus if I don't go out with her. Well, you know what, Jane? I doubt if this game she's playing on you would work on every other girl on campus. I really doubt it. Damn you all!
Sly! He banged the door on me. I began to sense something. I began to sense something wrong with what Diane had told me. She She told me he was her man. That I should stay away from him. Thought of it. Because the other senior babes, Cece, Beauty, and even Amy, my roommate, had warned me never to sample the same guy as a senior mama. But something happened. Something happened that automatically proved Sly right.
Sly has insulted me. So he has insulted all of us, the Black Falconites. And we have to strike back. I know he loves you. So I want to set him up, using you as the bait. First thing in the morning, I want you to get to his room and seduce him. He's a dog, so I know he will fall for it. Wait 30 minutes and then scream. We'll be standing by with the secret code. I will be there to rescue you.
Mama, I don't understand you.
Rape. Claim that he raped you.
I hope you understand the importance of this assignment.
Because I told her to her face I wasn't going to befriend her. That is why they have sent you to come and frame me up.
You're shouting. Please stop shouting.
I will shout! I will shout because he's not going to do anything to me. Now listen, girl. You have to leave those girls. I don't even know how you got involved with them in the first place.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, how was I supposed to know? I was just a few weeks old in school by then. God. God, I'm done for.
No, you are not done for. Now, I want you to leave those girls. I want you to call their bluffs and quit that fraternity as soon as practicable.
What?
Yes.
I made up my mind to quit. But when they found out, that messed up every chance of them ever setting Sly up. They couldn't take it. And as they say, no one dares a falconite with an eye open. Or be prepared to lose one eye at least. In my case, I lost both eyes. I lost my eyes, my nose, my heart, and even my life, Kule. You expect me to be calm when I set my eyes on her? No. No.
So what happened eventually?
He's dead.
That's okay. That's okay, lady. That's okay. Gabriel, take a message over. This is CSO Anticots. A student is lying dead at Macaulay Hall, room 219. How you got my message over? Radio.
Sir, I don't know anything about it, sir. I swear I don't know anything.
What did you do to him?
Nothing, sir, nothing. The message he sent to me, sir, I just came in. He called me to come, sir. He was the one that called me to come.
That's okay, that's okay. Gabriel, take a message over. You get in touch with other boys. Yes, I'm calling with her numbers. Confirm you got my message over. I read it.
Oh, sir, please, I don't know anything about this, sir.
So, that's okay. What did you do to him?
Nothing, sir. I just came inside.
Keep quiet, my friend.
He's like...
That's okay. Just...
I was sentenced for murder, Kule. A crime I knew nothing about. My life was shattered. My future truncated. And you said I shouldn't have done more than I did?
Jenny is okay. Jenny is alright.
Do you know how many years I would have been in prison? Do you know how many years I would have stayed in prison if my father hadn't obtained a state pardon for me? Do you? I was a very quiet girl, Kule. I could even hardly shout. But look at me. Look at what the prison has made of me. And now everyone thinks it's my fault.
Oh, come on, Jenny, stop. Jenny, stop. It's okay. It's alright. At least now I know it's not your fault.
It's because I told you. That is because I told you. How about people I haven't told? What impression would they have of me? What?
So when Jane came in, her father's secretary asked her to wait because her father was busy in the office with government officials. And before I knew it, Jane brandished this lady with this slap.
I am not surprised. I told you that girl is a psycho.
Just let me finish, okay? Now, they got into this fight. And then I made efforts to separate them. And in the process, Jane turned and slapped me too. Not only that, she tore my NYSC discharge certificate, the original one. I just looked at her and started crying. I left the office. Now, I did not cry because I was slapped by a woman or because my NYSC discharge certificate was torn, but because this happened at a time when I decided to stop all the bad things I was doing in the past. You know, like womanizing and cultism. And make something good out of my law profession.
Hey! You made a mistake. You should have beaten that demented bitch.
I wouldn't dare. I just looked at her and walked out of that office. I continued weeping outside and then she came to me weeping too, apologizing. She financed the getting back the original NYSC discharge certificate and then influenced her father to give me a job. So you see, Jane and I have been through thick and thin. We've come a long way. And that's why I tolerate her excesses, even though sometimes they do pain me.
So, you just tolerate her because of her father's connection?
No, Jane's connection, because she was the one who introduced me to her father.
You know, Jane is too brutal to do anything good, you know. Perhaps I never told you that I know her.
You must surely reap the price of wicked.
So this is it. This is what you've come here to indulge in. like the other myriads of crimes you've committed and covered up, thinking no one would find out, isn't it?
Baby, I said I was sorry. I said I was sorry.
You know, that sorry to me sounds like regret, because I have found out who you are.
Babes, you never gave me a chance to explain.
Oh, please, please. 16 months of our relationship was enough time for you to tell me everything, especially the ex-convict part of you.
I see. She's told you already, hasn't she?
Of course she told me a whole lot more, you bloody liar. And you know what? This thing we call an engagement is off.
Emeka! Don't take it a step further. Oh, shut up! Who the hell do you think you are? You think you can just walk in and walk out of my life as you choose? That's too bad. Because you know nothing. You know nothing about her sad, horrible, dirty, terrible past.
Gina said, put down.
I say, shut up! Don't even move a step further.
You want to pull the trigger, right? You want to shoot me? Well, go ahead. Pull it. Because you know what? I'm about to move right now. I'm taking steps out of this house, through that door, and definitely out of your life.
Don't let me.
Watch me.
Don't.
She never told me that was what happened.
Yeah, maybe she thought she could live with it.
What about Diane?
Yeah, she's in the other ward taking care of other patients.
How much longer do you intend keeping me here?
As long as you are fit to go.
Gosh. I just wish I could just lay my hands on that neck and snap it. I mean, she actually thought she could get me food.
Just relax, okay? Relax and get well first. See, the most important thing now is that you get well. Get on your feet, get better. And we can talk about other things. Okay?
What? That's the truth.
No, I mean, that's so hard to believe.
Are you serious?
Babe, it's true, not lying.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
This is Detective Clem.
Yeah, hello, detective. My name is Emeka.
I'm Clem, like she has told you.
Okay.
She invited me down here so we can talk about your shooting incident. But I was kind of a skeptic. I don't know if you're fit yet to talk about it.
Officer.
Well, I was made to understand that you were shot by a girl who used to be your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Officer, don't you mind standing? Why don't you sit down, huh?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
Are you fit to talk?
You know, I don't think so. I don't think I want to talk about the shooting incident.
What? Baby, you don't talk to him. He's a detective.
Look, I don't know what you're talking about, really.
Of course you know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know who shot you, so quiet and tell him.
I said I don't know what you're talking about.
I was the one that shot him.
What are you talking about?
I was the one that shot him.
What are you talking about? So I think my daughter is here. But you see, I was driving and you know, I drove into a robbery attack, right? And then I was hit by a stray bullet. Simple. Yes, that was what happened.
Baby, no! Please don't cover this up.
malaria which makes her hallucinate sometimes.
Yes.
And sometimes she loses it.
Yes.
What are you saying? What is your emotion?
Officer, she's prone to violence. She's very prone to violence.
Like hell no!
Please help me. I need some help. No, do you? You think I'm fine with your mom? Don't you know? Will you be alright? Will you be alright?
Whatever you sow, here on earth you must surely reap the price of wickedness.
What was that?
You have paid
Get!
the price of wickedness. You have
But Diane, is it true? Did you do all that to Jane? Oh my God. Why? Why do you have to indulge in such a despicable conspiracy, huh? Just because of a guy, Diane. My God. You are so heartless. You were so mean.
Are you now going to join them in condemning me?
Yes. I mean, why do you have to go as far as paying someone to take someone else's life? What you did was silly. All in the name of school courts. I think the best thing for you to do is to turn yourself into the place.
What?
Yes, with all pleasure. You are so fiend. Please.
It could be funny, maybe ironical, but you just have to tell us what you know. Perhaps, let me refresh your mind. It's been long, I agree. What do you know as regards the murder of one Sly? Sly, right? Look, right from the time you invited us down for this shooting incident and we followed you, we have always tried to be nice, okay? And I believe you wouldn't want us to lose that nicety because my man here, I'm sure he's ready to act. So tell us what you know. We've had cause to go back to this university where this incident took place and they furnished us with information. Vital one. And it might also interest you to know that one of your cohorts is here in our detention. You need conviction, I can say. Officer.
Sir.
Get up from me.
Yes, sir.
I see you need to be convinced. No, you don't need to say anything. Take her.
Yes, sir. Come on.
So, you need to talk to me. Because I'm losing it. Diane? Diane? God, she thinks I'm joking. Talk to me.
to you.
Let me help you.
Causing pain to many broken hearts.
Hey, baby. I'm sure we're cooking. Everything is ready.
Really?
Sure you don't need help?
What?
I know I do a whole lot of things wrongly. Like I always err. I do love you. And I'm really glad we're back together. And I'm so sorry. I love you.
And I love you too.
I love you more. Why don't you come try my cooking today? You'd be so shocked.
Okay.
That should be letting me